Look at this. The big house, the fancy car, the expensive watch. This is what society tells you is the financial dream. But what if I told you that the people who own all this are often one paycheck away from disaster? There's a fundamental misunderstanding in the financial world. Being rich is about the income you make. Being wealthy is about the time you buy. Welcome back to InvesYou, where we don't just talk about money, we talk about financial freedom. If you're serious about escaping the financial hamster wheel, hit that subscribe button. For the next 30 minutes, we are going to dive deep into why a surgeon making $500,000 a year might be less financially secure than a teacher making $60,000. It's a mind shift, and once you get it, your entire financial trajectory changes. Stick around, because by the end you'll know exactly how to build true, lasting wealth. Let's start with the easy one. Rich. Being rich is a state of current cash flow. It's about having a high income. You get a big paycheck, and you can afford a luxurious lifestyle. The problem? Being rich is completely tied to your job. If the income stops, the rich lifestyle stops. You are essentially a high-paid employee in the financial rat race. Think of the equation. Income minus expenses equals savings. For most rich people, their lifestyle expenses grow exactly in proportion to their income. This is called lifestyle creep. You may be making $20,000 a month, but if your mortgage is $5,000, your car payments are $2,000, and your monthly spending is $10,000, you only have $3,000 left. You are highly leveraged and stressed. The rich are often cash poor. Richness is often a facade. It's the appearance of success based on a temporary inflow of cash. If you lose your job, how long can you maintain your current lifestyle without needing another paycheck? That's the true test of rich. Now let's look at wealthy. This is where the paradigm shifts. Wealth is not about the size of your paycheck. It's about the size of your assets. The wealthy focus on accumulating income-generating assets. These assets, like real estate, successful businesses, or dividend stocks, produce cash flow whether you show up for work or not. The equation for the wealthy is different. Assets generate passive income, which covers expenses. When your passive income exceeds your monthly expenses, you have achieved financial independence. This is the crucial difference. A rich person's time is still owned by their job. A wealthy person's time is owned by them. They can choose to work, travel, or spend time with family, and their financial life continues to run on autopilot. The truly wealthy often live below their means, drive unpretentious cars, and avoid the lifestyle creep trap because their focus is on accumulation and freedom, not consumption and status. Let's illustrate this with a case study. Meet Rich Ricky. Ricky is a successful corporate lawyer. He makes $350,000 a year. He is undeniably rich. Ricky's annual expenses are $320,000. He saves $30,000 maybe. But he is a slave to the paycheck. His entire self-worth is tied up in his title and his spending habits. Then the market shifts. Ricky's company downsizes. His income stops. With $320,000 in annual obligations and only a few months of savings, Ricky is now facing a financial crisis. He has to liquidate assets, which he barely has, or take a job at a much lower salary just to cover the bills. Now meet wealthy Wendy. Wendy is a mid-level software engineer making $120,000. She is not rich by corporate standards. Wendy's annual expenses are $60,000. She invests the remaining $60,000 religiously. After 10 years, her portfolio of dividend stocks and a single rental property generates $65,000 in passive income. Who is truly free? Ricky has the high income, but Wendy has the optionality. If Wendy quit her job today, she could maintain her entire lifestyle indefinitely. Ricky is trapped. Wealth is the invisible safety net. Richness is the visible gilded cage. If you want to move from being potentially rich to being truly wealthy, you need to adopt these 3 pillars. Pillar 1, the wealth mindset. This is the hardest part. The rich ask, how much more money can I make to buy more things? The wealthy ask, how much of the money I make can I keep and put to work? You must view every dollar that comes in as an employee whose job is to go out and hire more employees, assets. This means saying no to purchases that only bring temporary status. Pillar 2, hyper-automation. The rich rely on discipline, which fails. The wealthy rely on systems. You need to pay your future self first. Set up an automated transfer that moves 10%, 15%, or 20% of your paycheck directly into your investment account the day you get paid. If you don't see the money, you can't spend it. Saving is not what's left over, it's what's taken off the top. This leads us to the most critical pillar, Pillar 3, strategic asset allocation. The wealthy don't just save, they invest for cash flow and compounding. The power of compounding is the key. Your assets not only grow, but also generate income. And that income is reinvested to generate more income. It's an unstoppable snowball. We believe in a balanced portfolio. Diversification is protection. For the vast majority, this means low-cost index funds combined with assets that consistently pay you, like quality dividend stocks or cash flow real estate. Remember the wealth equation. Wealth is the product of your assets multiplied by time. Start early, be consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Do not interrupt the compounding process. Look at some of the world's most successful investors. They are wealthy, not rich. They don't splurge on mega yachts. They invest in companies. Their spending is a tiny fraction of their net worth. The ultimate prize of wealth is optionality, the freedom to choose what to do with your one life. The rich buy things, the wealthy buy choices. Furthermore, wealth lasts. Richness often dies with the paycheck. Wealth can be transferred, providing a legacy of security and opportunity for your children and grandchildren. It's a gift that keeps giving. The shift from rich to wealthy is a journey from instant gratification to delayed gratification. It's about building a fortress of assets that defends your future. Let's quickly recap the fundamental difference. Rich is a number. Wealth is a duration. Rich focuses on income and consumption. Wealthy focuses on assets and time freedom. Start measuring your financial success not by the size of your monthly deposit, but by your net worth, the total value of your assets minus your liabilities. That is the only score that matters. The great news. Whether you make $50,000 or $500,000, the path to wealth is the same. Mindset, automation, and strategic investing. If this video shifted your perspective on money, make sure you show us by hitting the like button. If you're ready to start building your asset fortress, InvesYou is the community for you. We have a free introductory course linked below that covers the exact 3-fund portfolio strategy we recommend. Click the link in the description to join our mailing list and get that course completely free. Your journey from being a high-paid consumer to a truly wealthy owner starts today. We'll see you in the next video.